Well, someone on a charter, I think, locked themselves in the bathroom because this thing is just broken. So, God knows how we're going to fix that. And good luck getting a new one. Let's take it apart and see what we got. Maybe we can fix it. Oof, I definitely bent the lock. Wow, look at that. How we're gonna get that apart? That thing's stuck in. Oh, it's really stuck. Okay, well, let's do it. Well, it's the tools I've got available to me. Unfortunately, I don't have a vise like I would back home in the shop, or a good set of punches, but we'll see what we can work out. Whew. Popped right out of there. Huh. Looks like the lock is meant to where you could switch it around. I wonder what keeps it in there. Maybe you have to slide the handle in or something. It's clearly bent, like bent really badly, and it's jammed in there. Oh, it might even be broken. I don't know. Nice if we could just take the lock out so people don't lock themselves in the bathroom. I don't know. Maybe let's see if we can pry it apart and see what happens. Be nice if we could just get that out of there. Maybe. Looks like it's kind of coming. Maybe another set of pliers. Oh yeah, it's coming. Oh, there we go. Oh, that thing is all bent. Wow. Dang. could have just yelled for somebody. I have a feeling I know who did this, which I won't mention names because it is a pretty recognizable celebrity's name's wife, I think, that did this. But I doubt they'll ever watch this video, but they know who they are. Yeah, if we just pull the lock out, then maybe we're good. Oh, now it works. Yeah, look at that. So lock out, lock in. Guess I could always just stick it in later. Yeah, just put it back together. Seems to be perfect now. They just bent the lock really hard, that little tab. So yeah, let's stick it back together. Boy, if this works, this should be about the easiest fixed I've had to make in a long time. All of about 10 minutes. That'd be great. That'd be just fine with me. Stick you back together. Glorious. Can't everything be this easy? Now I wonder if this goes back on, can you just remove the lock at will? Alright, what's in there? Locked. Pull it out. Unlocked. Can you just pull it out though? Goodness, what have I done? I'm not sure I want that locked in there. I think I might just take it off. However, now it's in there. It does not appear like it wants to come back out. Let's do it the way we did it a minute ago. Dang. Oh. There we go. Uh-oh, something came out. What is that? Metal shaving? Some sort of wire. That can't be good. Oh my. That can't be good. Well, that's what it is. Let's just stick it back together. Oh no. That's in the wrong way. Shoot. Latches that way. Take 2 or 3, maybe 4. can't lock it. It's better than people locking themselves in the door. They really messed that thing all up. Okay. That'll work.